Hello everybody, Miguel Ortiz here, and I just wanted to talk to you guys about how you should all be having a fit buddy in your tool chest when it comes to foam rolling, trigger point therapy, releasing any tension, lowering inflammation, increasing a tremendous amount of blood flow to the body. Your fit buddy is definitely a go-to, whether or not you're a beginner or you're very advanced. This is a tool that everybody should own. The entire apparatus is going to obviously support your body weight, and the tip end and the rounded end are going to be used whether or not we're doing smaller trigger pointed areas, whether or not into your hands and relaxing any trigger point areas into the hand, or maybe you're using these areas on the bottom of the feet. All apparatuses and all the sides can be used all over the body, and it mainly kind of deals with the tension and the amount of pressure you might want to have. So from a standpoint of utilizing your fit buddy, from starting from the head and kind of working our way down, whether or not we're using it to release some tension in the neck, we can be lying side to side, which also helps release some tension in the upper body, and of course the neck. We could use this tip-ended side. I'm going to turn it around here for you, and if you lightly wanted to be able to roll to the side of the temple, just very lightly putting some pressure, just kind of relieving any of that head space before you start your day is absolutely amazing. We could also place it on the middle of the back, and maybe I'm not too concerned with my exercise, but maybe I just want to start my day and kind of facilitate some better breathing to start my day and open up the chest a little bit more, as wide as I want to get, to really kind of get that chest open. Whether or not I want to keep working my way down, focus on the lower end of the back, I can move it across and go on top of the hips. This tool is very easy to manipulate. You're already on the floor, which is absolutely wonderful. You can continue to work your way down and get into hamstrings, your IT band, calves. Maybe you use it just to start your day, and you're standing, brushing your teeth, doing something, you're massaging just the bottom of your foot. So regardless, this fit buddy can be used on all areas of the body. Tension is going to be relative, so please be mindful when you start using your fit buddy or any trigger point apparatus that you're going to be using against the body, and continue to become a lot more aware, continuing to release areas around these joints, continue to release all these muscles that have been giving you so much tension for a long time, and start enjoying a lot more of your day. So please go out, grab yourself a fit buddy, and start enjoying your life a little bit more today.